My name is Natalie Bonner. I teach biology at Reagan High School. My students come from, a suburban area. Their parents are very involved in their education, but in working with other teachers, we all kind of found that it doesn't matter what the students' backgrounds were, there were similar outlining problems with our students.
Kids have an awful lot of content to learn in both the math and the science arena. And oftentimes that content is totally taught out of context. Students don't understand how it's connected to the real world. And it's important for students to see where they are actually used, how they can be applied, and where they might take them and use them for future experiences and future careers that they might have.
The teachers are a key component to educating, advocating, and collaborating with industries like Toyota and Lockheed and Boeing. Our kids are important for sustainment of companies like Toyota for their education and the workforce pipeline. So for teachers to understand their industry needs and pass it on through their education curriculum and advocacy of the needs of the community, the students now have an understanding and are aware of what a career path might be for them, and then lay out a path for them with the help of the teacher of how can they better provide for themselves and their families in the future. We were happy to provide the SAMSEC teachers facilities for them to use during their two-day period here. I was very interested to see that the enthusiasm of the teachers and how they took in the information. For us, it's important for teachers to understand the gap in terms of workforce development, especially in science, technology, engineering, and math.
Videos are great for kids. My kids are always asking me to play videos for them, and I decided to work with the Toyota plant video clip about Godzilla because they wanted to be able to do something with linear functions because that's a big part of Algebra 1. And we use the data from there to be able to relate it to slope and y-intercept.
So I teach biology, and the video clip that I chose to work with over the summer and use in my classroom was a video clip from HEB that was showing the water retention ponds and how water is recycled and filtered so that it's cleaner whenever it leaves the facility. Okay, now why is this important? Why everything that we learn in biology, when are we ever going to use this? I was trying to kind of answer that question. And a lot of times the students are always asking, when am I ever going to use this? And why does this even matter?
HEB has always been a huge supporter of education, and SAMSEC is one way that we're able to directly help out teachers and their students. Many people don't think of math and science necessarily when they think of HEB, but on our day-to-day operations, we use it throughout the store. Whether it's our environmental processes, the logistics in our warehouse or wareroom, or especially our food safety and food quality, we are using it on almost everything we do.